Okay, so check this out. This is a photo of my favorite quarterback, Josh Allen. And now I'm going to detach Josh from the background. Check that out. How did I do this? Well, it's a new Figma plugin called Clipdrop, and I'll show you how in just 1 second. But before I do, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel where each week I'll be uploading a number of different videos on a variety of different topics. So thanks for your consideration, and now let's get to the video. So I'm going to show you a brand new plugin still in beta for the design program Figma. If you install the Clipdrop plugin, you'll get this option to the right hand side. You just select your design, choose the mode that's called Decompose, and what it will do is it will remove the main subject from your background. Kind of like that. Really cool. And now let's try another method. This is Cleanup, and about a month ago I shared with you the website Cleanup.pictures. It's by the same company, Clipdrop. This will allow you to remove individual items from your photos. To do this, you just have to place a rectangle over the object that you want to remove. In this case, I'm going to remove this woman from the photo, and since it's rectangles, I will have to use a number of different rectangles to make sure that all of this is filled. Okay, so once you have your object that you want removed, you just have to highlight this box, select Cleanup, and just like that, the main subject has been removed from the photo. Now there's also a really good background remover that you can see to the right. If you just select your image, choose Remove Background, you'll notice now that the subject of my photo is there with the background removed. It's transparent, and then from here I can save this layer as a PNG file that I can use anywhere. And now I'd like to show you the last feature, which is the option to enhance or upscale any photos. So I have this fairly low-res version of the Figma logo. If I click on it and choose Enhance, you'll now see that that logo has been upscaled. I can use this in the thumbnail, and it's going to look a little bit better than it did before. So again, this is the Clipdrop plugin for the design program Figma. It currently is in private beta. However, if you're interested in getting added to the waiting list, feel free to complete this form that you're seeing right now on the screen. It's also in the description as well. So thank you for watching this, and have a great day.